Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix call recording not working on your iPhone. So recently I'm update my iOS, then not showing it to call a recording option when I'm call this phone to another phone, but not showing it to call recording option. So you just follow one tricks, then you get fix this problem. At first open your settings, scroll down, go to apps, scroll down and open your phone apps. Okay, and you just make sure to turn on your call recording option. I'm just already enable my call recording but not showing it to call recording option, so don't upset. So recently iOS 26 added new feature. When you call any person, so look here, I'm calling but not showing here. When receive this call, then you get call recording option. Okay, now it's start call recording. So when call received, then showing it to recording option, without not possible.